Alright, this video module will be focused on your health, more specifically your mental health. So how to have a manifest success, amazing experience for your mental health is 90% of your thoughts are happy. So what you'll find throughout your day, if you ever take the time to just write down your thoughts, you'll tend to find that the majority of your thoughts you think about are the same ones you had the previous day, and so on and so forth. That's why you often find that not much changes in your life, because you tend to have the same thoughts. It forms your belief system about those thoughts, which then forms your actions to do based on those belief systems. So basically, you can quantify your entire reality. If you believe that you create your reality, you control it, whether that would be because it's a simulation, a dream, or purely because everything is just a holographic projection of your own consciousness. It comes down to three simple things: your thoughts, your beliefs, and your actions. Your thoughts are the things you think about, your beliefs are the things you think about over weeks and months, and your actions are the things you do with your physical body based on your thoughts and belief system. There's an old adage, what's the difference between a homeless person and a billionaire, despite their external factors? It's their thoughts, beliefs, and actions. There's also a famous story of a homeless person who became very wealthy, actually became a billionaire, through a hair care product line. And when they asked him how he was able to go from homeless to billionaire, he simply said, I had to change my thoughts, which then changed the belief systems of what I could do, which then changed my actions. So if that can work for him, it can work for anybody. Whether your goals are simple, where you just want to make enough to live comfortably, whether you want to be a millionaire, billionaire, or even a trillionaire, you can accomplish anything, but it starts with your mental health. You have to feel happy, you have to have the intent of change, and then you have to take action on that intent. So what I want you to do for this first module is very simple. Whenever you have a thought, whether it's negative or positive, I just want you to recognize that thought. Capture it in your mind and say, is this thought negative or positive? For instance, it's a nice sunny day out here in this weather. Is that a negative or positive thing? Well, a negative person might say, oh, it's sunny, so it must be hot and I'm uncomfortable. But a positive person might say, oh, it's sunny, so I can get beautiful sun on my skin, feel amazing, maybe even get a tan. You see, two people can walk down the same street and have drastically different experiences. So now what I want you to do is grab a pen and paper, and just for the next hour, just write down any thoughts that come to your mind. And then I want you to go through those thoughts and think, are these negative or positive? And if they're negative, that's okay. Recognize that everyone has negative thoughts. But through this course, I want to help you go from negative thoughts to more positive thoughts. I want the majority, I want 90% of your thoughts to be positive, because that will then influence your belief system, which will then influence your actions, to take action and actually get results. Because why did you sign up for this course? You wanted to manifest success. You wanted to conquer your health, wealth, and happiness. So today, go out there and conquer your mental health. Please leave a comment and share in the community what kind of thoughts you're thinking.